Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create slow rotation effect on CapCut for a trippy or spooky vibe. Okay, before we start the editing, I'm going to show you how the slow rotation effect looks like. Okay, this is how the effect looks like, and I'm going to show you how you can create this effect. Okay, I'm going to create a new project on CapCut, and then I'm going to use a video from the CapCut library. Okay, I'm going to use this clip, guys, and then you can select the part that you want to add the slow rotation effect to. And for me, I'm just going to choose this part, and I'm just going to cut my video. Okay, and then guys, we're going to add keyframe, but wait, let me remove the CapCut ending. Okay, before you add keyframe, you need to zoom in your video like this, and then I'm going to add keyframe to the beginning of this clip, and then we can add second keyframe to the end part of this clip. Okay, and then you're going to zoom in while rotating your clip. You can make a movement like this. You can use two fingers. Okay, just make it slow and make sure that it's not out of frame. I mean, make sure that it's full like this, and it will create something like this, guys. Okay, and then to make it more spooky, you can do adjustment. You can go to the adjustment right here, go to the adjust, and then you can adjust the brightness, and then adjust the brilliance, sharpen, and so on. Vignette as well, to make it even more spooky. And I'm going to adjust the vignette. I'm going to increase it like this. Yeah, you can play around with the vignette and the brightness to make it creepier. Okay, or you can apply effect. Go to the body effect, and then you can apply Halloween effect or a ghost effect. It's up to you. And okay guys, that's all the way to create slow rotation effect on CapCut for spooky vibe. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys.